This is more than just a climb. It's a journey of self-discovery.
I was a plane crashing in your head. You could have known me better, I said.
And yes, we're climbing this mountain, 4,811 meters high. But how?
I am waiting.
A laptop backpack, a pair of board hiking boots, and the most importantly, a friend to lead the way. He's done in the first 700 meters. Before I tell you the story, let me introduce the mountain we climbed. It's called Sabalan or Savalan, a mountain in the northwestern Iran, known as the Bride of Iran's mountains. It's called that because there is a permanent lake at the summit. It's very beautiful. When we climbed it, it was early summer, but the lake was still frozen. Now, let me tell you the story of this climb. Here we are, just before setting off on the wrong trail. Instead of taking the hiking trail, we accidentally followed the vehicle, costing us 3 extra hours. Turns out, the world's best guide forgot to mention there was a hiking trail. Nice!
Well, if you need a hand to carry a load, I'm here to let you know you can put that on me. When that old hurricane is starting to blow, I've always got a home where you can come be. Oh, because I ain't afraid of a little weather. We can make it together. When I tell you that I got you, and I'm here.
We finally reached the hiking trail, but not before losing a few hours. We had to follow this trail to reach the shelter, get a few hours of sleep there, then set off for the summit at 3 a.m. before sunrise. About halfway up, our guide's knee gave out, and he said I can't. Then came the magical Land Rover. Unfortunately, magic is not free. We finally reached the shelter. 7 people, 1 old Land Rover, driven by very experienced driver.
Alan çıktı.
Aha, özür dilerim.
La bir reddi.
Mesajlar ben benim aşağıda.
Hele bak bu iyiydi.
Pənahqah 11 Sultan Savalan.
A sea of clouds at 3,600 meters. It's very beautiful.
What can you say when love goes away that hasn't been said before? I have no rhyme that's different this time. There's no words to sing anymore.
Yaşlı olsa mənim üstə də dedi.
Hello.
Hello. Metmu mahatma tankaye mabat.
We were starving, so we had to eat something. And yes, you guessed it. The perfect meal for mountain climbing. Sausages.
rain as it falls to the ground and washes the day away. Nothing to show and no place to go, so here in my room I stay. I don't know.
We were all low on oxygen, and because of that, almost no one ate the delicious meal I cooked, except for 1 or 2 people.
I'm all alone and honestly I don't know why.
The shelter didn't have electricity, and at 10 p.m. it was lights out. But sleeping wasn't easy. The altitude and the cold kept us awake. Starting the climb to the summit. It was my first time attempting a climb like this. We had no experienced mountaineers with us, no proper gear. We just wanted to reach the top of this beautiful mountain. On paper, it sounds exciting. But once you are out in nature, you realize you made a mistake. This was where 2 members of our team had to turn back. They couldn't make it the summit. And this was where the mental and physical challenges began. Even taking one more step was becoming difficult. Slowly, the whispers in our minds started. What's even up there? A lake at the top of a mountain, where the air is so thin. What's the point? Why do we climb 4,800 meters just to get there? What does it really mean? I couldn't find the answers to my questions, but I knew one thing for sure. I had to climb this mountain. Many times I stopped and told myself, there's no way I can make it any higher. It was unbelievable that I kept moving again. I realized that it's the mind that climbs the mountains. This large rock in the frame is called Sange Mehrab or Mehrab Taşı. It's known as a place where Zoroaster is believed to have prayed and meditated. A dog all the way up here. And here we are. Oh my god, the lake. We made it. When I reached the summit, all my questions were answered. It was absolutely worth it. And that's the story of our climb to Mount Sabalan. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.